Yo, what up? This is the Felicia and Amy show.
Hey!
We back.
Yes.
And we rock.
We're back from the day.
And we roll.
Exactly.
Yeah, so, interesting. Facebook has different weird things coming out. Like, there's these different things, like, these girls are putting together, like, things that you don't, I don't know. Guys don't know, but girls do, so they, like, message you. It's really weird. Like, one of them was... No, not that. But that's another story. One was, like, bra colors. All of a sudden, I went on Facebook, and I was like, I see all these colors. Like, just random colors on people's statuses, like red, and then I was like, what are the colors? And I found out later what it was. Have you heard of that? Yeah. And now they're doing something called a Google Ganger? Google, I don't know, but it has to do with your celebrity lookalike.
Hold on.
Doodle, something Ganger.
Sounds dirty.
But people are doing it instead of showing their celebrity lookalike and putting it on their profile picture. Oh yeah, Keira Knightley. If you guys think that, I don't know. I don't really know who she is.
Oh my god, yeah. You don't know who she is?
Well, I was looking at some pictures, but I haven't looked at. I found like one picture that kind of looked like me, but
she she was in She was in a series. Elizabeth series, I believe.
Maybe that's why I don't know, because I've never seen Pirates of the Caribbean. Yeah.
Pancakes are boom now.
Pancakes. I had chocolate covered cherries today. Yeah. You like chocolate covered cherries? Chocolate covered.
Chocolate covered cherries. Oh yes, Amy. I absolutely.
They are chocolate colored.
That's what she said.
Valentine's Day is coming.
Oh yes.
Sad for single people.
I could get on that one. But it's the best day when you're taken.
Do you have any plans yet in mind? You don't have to say it, but
yeah. Plans like usually.
Just a regular day, I guess. Anything else? Have you been keeping up with America's Best Dancer? It just started.
Last week was remember competition.
Yeah. How was competition?
It's pretty cool. But
yeah, she's in competition for Color Guard. ROTC.
Yeah. Color Guard didn't place at all. I don't got the most kills. So got first in regulation and subjects. Unarmed didn't place at all again.
Well, maybe next time since it's better. When is next time?
4/24.
Oh, April?
Yeah. We're invited. Bring the pancakes.
Okay. What does pancakes have to do with anything?
Pancakes are awesome. It's like saying waffles.
Waffles are good.
Especially Belgian ones.
Belgian waffles are the best. They smell like really sweet. Everything else just doesn't taste the same.
Waffles, no.
You gotta put ice cream on waffles.
Oh, speaking of pancakes and waffles, try peanut butter and syrup on waffles.
Peanut butter and syrup, that sounds good.
With pancakes. Oh my.
Or you can do peanut butter and bananas.
Pancakes.
Put a waffle here, peanut butter, bananas, and another waffle, and eat it.
It's a waffle sandwich.
A waffle sandwich.
I want a sandwich. I had a sandwich yesterday, but now I want a sandwich.
Say sandwich.
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 Isn't it weird when you say words lots of times? Like, swing, 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 swing.
It's like saying X.
Don't do it.
You felt like classic joke.
I never heard of it, but now I know. You do too. Maybe next show.
Yeah.
You guys gotta put your suggestions in the inbox.
Oh, this weekend's gonna be awesome.
Why? This weekend's gonna be awesome. Why?
Because my great grandma's turning 100.
100. What's 100 in Spanish? 100. For our Spanish speakers.
I don't know how to say it in
Ask Mike!
German. That's German.
I'm German, but I don't know any German.
9.
No. I know that.
Guten Tag.
Good one? What?
Good morning. Wunderbar.
Good night? What is it?
Wonderful.
Wonderful.
Wunderbar.
Well, this was a wonderful show. So,
Wunderbar, wunderbar, wunderbar.
if you have any suggestions of anything else to talk about or just want to shout it out, inbox.
Oh, yeah.
Alright. Thanks for watching our little show, chatty session thing.
Yeah.
Felicia and Amy out.
Bye-bye.
Peace.